Hi, welcome along to the Fit Finance sessions. And today, in the Advent calendar window, we're going to be looking at alternative asset classes. So these are a whole ream of different things that you can invest in. And Tom's going to quickly take us through what they might mean for you and your portfolio.
So alternative asset classes are designed to provide some extra diversification. So we've talked about equities and bonds and maybe a bit of commercial property, but if all of those assets aren't doing so well, what else can we put into the portfolio? So that might be absolute return funds, where they try and make returns in an upward market and short selling at the same time, like a hedge fund, but not as aggressive. You might have alternative asset classes in, say, solar or wind farms or infrastructure. There's quite a lot of interest in infrastructure funds, as we expect governments to spend more, particularly with the current pandemic. Then infrastructure funds give diversification to projects and other investments that might not be available through normal markets, because they're mostly government-backed projects like building bridges or roads or whatever it might be. And there's lots of other different alternative assets. It's effectively something that isn't an equity or shares or bonds debt, and they're there to help provide diversification.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Lots of different things. Lots of different risks, though, Tim, aren't there? I can see you chomping at the bit to tell me.
Well, I have to say, I think there's more pros than cons, really, because what we're talking about here is spreading your money across different types of asset classes and benefiting from the ebbs and swings of each, in order to give you a nicer, hopefully smooth return. The only really con that I can think of notable interest is the idea of spreading the butter too thin. And if you diversify too much, then you're not really going to be getting all too much of an exciting return over the long run. So yeah, that's an interesting angle on it, but of course there is more pros, more benefits to doing so than not. But yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I'm off to go and buy myself a lump of gold. Happy Christmas. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.